Origin supports conducting analysis on graphs with slicers. We will demonstrate this using two examples. Here is a graph with a slicer. Let's do a linear fit on this. Set recalculation to auto so that when the filter condition changes, the fit result will update automatically. Go ahead and click OK. And the fit is done on the sliced data, and a hidden workbook is created to hold the fitting results. Go back to the graph and change the country. The fit result will be auto-updated to reflect the data change. Now let's take a look at how this works using the linear quick fit gadget. Let's first add the quick fit gadget. Now select expand to full plots range so the yellow region of interest covers all the data. Now go ahead and add a slicer to your graph. The intercept, slope values, etc. above the blocks change based on the slicer change. Double-click the yellow box to set the report output to a separate worksheet. Now, click the arrow again and select New Output. The fit results are output into a new worksheet, and the data for the fitted curve is also output in a hidden workbook. And that concludes the video. Thanks for watching.